Welcome to Facts or Fiction, the show where we separate myth from medicine and facts from fear. Today's claim: does placing a cotton thread on a baby's head stop hiccups? It's an age-old belief in Nigeria and parts of Africa, but does it really work? Here's the fact. Hiccups are involuntary contractions of the diaphragm, often triggered by feeding, excitement, or temperature changes. In newborns, they are harmless and usually go away on their own, thread or no thread. This remedy is rooted in tradition, not science. A better approach: hold your baby upright, bob them, rub their back gently, or just wait it out. So what's the verdict? It's fiction. A thread won't stop hiccups, but time will. Remember, traditions are part of who we are, but knowing the facts keeps us empowered. Catch you next time on Facts or Fiction, where the truth always wins. Bye.